Hello everyone! Happy New Year! This is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Glad to see you. This time I'd like to introduce our 4mm thickness Purlin roll forming machine. This machine produces a different size of purlins. The smaller one is 100 millimeters and the biggest one is 300 millimeters. Come here with me. 过不去了，你人走过去吧。Here we have some samples of 300 millimeters with height 80 millimeters. 3 thickness samples. If you are also interested in this C-profile roll forming machine, let's see more details. Now I'm standing at the hydraulic decoiler. You can see because the steel coil is 3mm thickness, so the outside diameter is very big. That's important to tell us the outside diameter so that we can provide a suitable hydraulic decoiler height. After the hydraulic decoiler, we put the leveling machine. This structure makes the hydraulic decoiler and the leveling machine together. This device can save the workshop space for the customer. After the leveling machine, you will get very plate strips. After this, and we will go to the roll forming machine cut. Normally, using this kind of interchangeable purlin machine, the customer will produce many different sizes so that we provide a hydraulic pre-cut in order to change the steel coils easily and without the wastage during the production. This is a small design, but it will save lots of money and production cost. Let's see the structure of the machine. You can see the hydraulic, the light. You can see this roll forming machine has a very big cast iron stands, and the transmission system. We put the gearbox drive. They are all very big. For the interchangeable size system, let's see more details. Come here. We have small motors on this side. You can see it clearly. And we have guides, the plates. From this system, you can see all the stands, all the cast iron stands we use here are stand up on the plate, and the plate connect with a guide. With the motor running, the plate will lead the structure come outside or come inside. That's why you can get different widths and different heights of profiles. And this process, we do it in our touch screen, totally automatic, so it is very useful during the production. Now we are checking the rollers. You can see the upper rollers are very big here. The machine is very big and large. The upper rollers, at the beginning they are smaller, but stand by stand, they were getting bigger and bigger. The upper roller size depends on the height you will produce. 好了，到这儿停。The rollers like this one, we have the size here, is to produce 8mm thickness. So the height, if the height is bigger, the rollers will be bigger as well. 好，走，继续走。This line have 18 roll forming stations because when you produce 4mm thickness, the raw materials has a larger yield strength, so the machine have to be much stronger to release the strength. From this stage, this device and the last forming stands, they are using to adjust open head of the profile at the beginning. After that, after these forming stations, the profiles will come out perfectly and it will have a bed straighteners. Now let's see how this machine runs in automatic mode. This line we don't have the front perforation, so it's easy to operate. The same, you change the language into English and you put the length here and the quantity here and press confirm. Then we back to the home. Here you input the size and the size you want to produce. This one is the width. Here is the height and the other height. Also, you can produce two different heights if you ask. Then press adjust. Then the structure will go back to the origin, and after that go to the position you written down in the touch screen. That's all how to change the size. Screen, change the mode into automatic. 然后点启动就好了吧。Start the pump and press start. The height 40, the width 80. We are measure the length. We set up on the computer 3 meters long. Now it comes out 3 meters. If you like this video, or you are interested in reforming machine, don't forget to follow our YouTube channel. Linbay Machinery offer you good service with best quality. Once you receive our reforming machine, the machine is well adjusted and you can start your production with our installation video and detailed explanation manual book. Also, our technical group will always be online to provide technical supports. See you next time. Bye bye.